Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to use code on Temu. Temu is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. Using code on Temu can help you save even more money on your purchases. To get started, you need to find a valid code that can be used on Temu. You can find codes on the Temu website, social media pages, or through email newsletters. Once you have a code, follow these steps to apply it to your purchase. First, add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Then, click on the shopping cart icon to view your cart. On the cart page, you will see a box that says Apply Code. Click on this box and enter your code. After entering the code, click on the Apply button to see if the code is valid. If the code is valid, you will see the discount amount deducted from your total. If the code is not valid, you will see an error message. Some key things to keep in mind when using code on Temu is to make sure the code is valid and not expired. Also, some codes may have certain requirements, such as a minimum purchase amount, so make sure to read the terms and conditions of the code before applying it. In addition to using code, Temu also offers other ways to save money, such as sales and discounts on certain products. You can find these deals on the Temu website or through the Temu app. By following these steps and tips, you can use code on Temu to save money on your purchases. Remember to always check the validity and terms of the code before applying it to your purchase. With a little practice, you can become a pro at using code on Temu and start saving money today. In conclusion, using code on Temu is a simple and effective way to save money on your online purchases. By finding valid codes and applying them to your purchases, you can enjoy discounts and promotions on a wide range of products. Start shopping on Temu today and see how much you can save with code.